Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. Now are you ready for a taste sensation that will transport you straight to the heart of Chile? In this video I'll be showing you how to make the ultimate Chilean-style steak with a juicy cut of beef, a mouth-watering marinade and a cooking technique that will have you coming back for more. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So we'll take 1 kilogram of potatoes and we're just going to cut them into 5mm thick slices. We'll place them into a bowl and we'll sprinkle them with 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, spray them with low-calorie cooking oil and toss them until they are all evenly coated. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now I've just placed mine in an air fryer basket and I'm going to cook them for 15 to 20 minutes just until they're cooked through. Now while our fries are cooking, I'm going to place 2 extra lean steaks into a bowl. Steaks weigh about 170 grams each. And into this I'm adding 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoonfuls of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of Worcestershire sauce, I'm going to give that a good stir and I'll let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take 1 onion, peel it, and then I'm going to finely slice it. So over to our cooker. Now I'm going to spray a frying pan with some low-calorie cooking oil and I'm going to place it over a medium heat. We'll add the onion and we'll cook it gently for 5 to 6 minutes just until it starts to soften. Now push the onion to the side and we're going to add the steak. Place the steak into the pan and pour over the rest of the marinade. Now cook the steaks to your liking. Depending on how thick the steaks are, this will probably take 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Remove the steak and the onions from the pan and allow to rest for a few minutes. Now while the steak is resting, I'm going to spray the pan with some more oil, and to that then I'm going to add my eggs. I'll cover it with a lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Now when the eggs are cooked, they will be set and the yolk will be slightly set on top. And now it's time to serve. Just place your fries on a plate, add the steak, top with the onions, and then we'll top it with the fried eggs. And then we'll just season the eggs with some salt and pepper. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for Chilean steak. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.